Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
With the coming of rainy season, the mango season comes to a close, and so it does in my garden. And look at that, this has just fallen, a tiny cute little mango. But what are we going to make with it today instead of throwing it away? It's a rainy day's dessert, caramelized spicy mango, a beautiful quick short recipe. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Soak the cute little mango in water for 12 hours to remove Urshol, the mango poison. Now, after 12 hours or so, wash the cute little mango well. When done, yes, slice the sides of the mango. Be careful not to cut yourself. The mango is too cute, too small. There. Now done. Now take a lemon and cut the lemon into half, as juice of half the lemon will be required. Now squeeze the lemon juice on both the sides of our cute little mango, and generously too. When done, take a mix of salt and red chili powder and sprinkle on the mango. Now to a fry pan, add butter, and when the butter starts to melt, add table sugar or any sugar of your choice. Allow the butter sugar sauce to caramelize just a shade. When done, add the two sides of the mango and let them fry and caramelize. Now press and hold down to caramelize the mango sides well. Now, as the butter sugar sauce thickens, switch off the flames. Our mango halves are caramelized well. Now plate the caramelized spicy mango and drizzle butter sugar sauce and enjoy the caramelized spicy mango as such, or with ice cream or a brownie.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.